Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. Today, just a little maintenance work which everybody can do at home. Real easy job, but maybe a little fun fact which is not known to everybody, which makes the work a lot easier. I want today to exchange the diesel fuel filter. This one. As you may have seen just yesterday, I made the experience that I bought a wrong part, a belt in the wrong length. So I hope I bought the correct filter for the car. Looks good, but not 100% sure. We will see. And yeah, I just want to put it in. And of course, we're working with diesel fuel, so doesn't smell too good on your hands if you spill it. So I need to still get a rag somewhere. A rug. And then you pull out the old filter, and the filter looks like this here, and it comes with two additional little sealings. We'll see that in the car later on. And of course this is not filled, and if you try to restart the engine and this one is empty, you will have a hard time, so you need to refill it. And there's a trick behind it. At least that's what I believe. Let's put it here. Vegetable oil. It's been a long time ago, but I believe it's like 25 years ago in Germany. The diesel fuel got so expensive that actually the vegetable oil in this liter size in the supermarket was cheaper than what you bought at the gas station. So I ran my diesels, also this kind of engine, on vegetable fuel. And in summer it works really nice if this stuff is warm enough. If it's too cold, it's too thick, and you will get issues to keep the engine started and running. But not all sealings in the fuel system resist this vegetable oil, so you most probably will get a leakage in your fuel pump. So if you try to do that, be prepared that you need to exchange those sealings in the fuel pump. Just to start the engine once won't hurt, so this is what I'm going to do. I will pre-fill this filter, only if it's the correct one. And we'll see how it works. Today temperatures are about 8 degrees, so I'm rather confident everything will work out fine. Let's get to it. So here we have the filter. There's some line running here for, I think it's under pressure for the brake assistant, which is a bit in the way, and there's not too much play in here, so I'll loosen this one up first to have it out of the way. Don't ask me what size it is, because this is not the original little part in here. Just found a washer. Now we can get this under here. Some old underwear to take care of any diesel, which I'm sure I will spill. There should be a 19mm socket. not too tight. And this is the only screw that's holding the filter. I hope you can see it, because it's already starting to spill diesel. Nice. You can see that this one lowers itself down. And here you can see the two sealants, which we will replace. And now let's try to get this one out here without tipping it, because it's full of diesel. Okay. Wow. And now don't ask me why this is running. Keeps on running with diesel. And I will compare the new one to the old one. I don't know if this is 100% the same size. It is. Okay, now comes the clue. I'll put this to the ground and I will pre-fill this one with vegetable oil. Looks a bit different. It shouldn't really matter. It should work. So pre-fill it. I won't overfill it because I will spill the rest anyway. Okay, the diesel is running and running and running. Okay, so I better be fast. I don't know why the fuel continues to run out of here. Okay. You know what? As the fuel is running, I'll keep the old washers in here for now. The sealings, not washers, the sealings. I think it looks good. But I really don't know why the fuel kept on running here. That's not nice. It's really not nice. At least I didn't spill anything on the belt, which I just installed yesterday. Not too tight. I reattach the holder. And now, let's wait for the fun part. If the engine starts up fine, and if the engine is getting enough fuel, meaning, or any fuel, meaning, is this little filter really correct? At least it fits. So let's be confident. Bah, and it stinks. And of course there will be some interesting fumes out of the exhaust when we start up the engine. But only for a minute, or not even. Let's keep fingers crossed. Pre-glowing, 8 degrees outside. Uh-oh. You know what? It's the wrong filter. The car doesn't get gas. Damn it. Why does it happen to me that I believe, that I again believe that information on the internet? I'm just too damn stupid. So, back filter, old filter in, a new filter next time. I compared the numbers. There is a Bosch filter in there, and I bought a MAN filter, and the numbers do not match. I mean, of course they do not match, but the box for the MAN filter refers to a Bosch filter, and there's a number stated from Bosch, and it's a different number. I kind of saw it before, but I thought, hey, it's going to work. So now the old filter is back in, and I hope it works now. I mean, there was some fuel left, lost. There is my baby. And now the question is, would the new filter have worked anyway? Let me think. I'm just happy the car is running again. But maybe I lost so much fuel because you saw it running out that it would have worked. But my super idea with the vegetable oil was perfect. It was really a perfect idea. Come on, you got to give me that one. I'll do some research and I'll let you know.